Be ready? Start. Sir, from my little experience of the rural areas, I can say that growing of food is not a paying proposition to the agriculturists unless and until the prices of food grains are guaranteed stop. Ours is a marginal production and we have to see whether this marginal production is to be stepped up to the point of self sufficiency, in which case we have to see whether the producer needs any protection, whether guarantees can be given as regards the prices of food grains, whether parity of prices can be maintained for food grains vis-a-vis industrial products in our country stop. If these factors are not taken into consideration, then sir, poverty will not be liquidated, and unless and until we take the food problem as the vital problem of the nation, I think we will be day by day disappointed in our attempts to relieve the food situation stop. The food situation is becoming grave because our fast expanding money economy has put more money in the pockets of the people stop. I have no quarrel with it because the country needs to give relief to persons who are not well placed in life stop. But this money economy has played havoc among the rank and file of the various producers in agriculture because after all in India even now more than 75% of the people depend on agriculture, and if there is a great disparity in income between the industrial labor and agricultural labor, the agricultural labor has no incentive stop over.